Hey, welcome to the extreme walk around. We're gonna call it that because there's nothing that's not extreme about this truck. It is a 2018 GMC Sierra Z71 4x4 Alpine edition done by Rocky. And man, this is a truck. This is a truck's truck. It's got the trailer hitch, of course. You know, actually, I'm gonna even show you inside the bed here, because we got spray and bed liner with a tarp on it, and oh yeah, right here, Rocky Ridge Custom Trucks. Yeah, dude, these tires, brand new. You can see the line here. Brand new tires, nice knobs. Fuel wheels, woo! And yeah, just beautiful. The paint on this truck is so nice and clean. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the interior now. We'll start it up. We'll do all that cool jazz. The leather interior, you know. Power seats. We got the sunroof up there. Oh yeah. Crew cab in the back. Plenty of room back there for whatever you need, tools or kids. And here's the fun part: if you can't jump, you can't buy this car. You can't buy this truck. So we'll go up like that. And all right, where are the keys at? Right here. Okay. Start this baby up. Oh yeah. We're gonna turn all the stuff down, because I want you to be able to hear the rumble of the engine. Got the Bose speakers, backup camera right there. You know, we got AC seats and heated seats, you know, just in case you're hot or cold. Love these Z71 packages. Always got everything you need. And you know, why don't we just can we rev it a little bit? Ooh. All right. We'll calm down a little bit. We don't want to take it too far. But yeah, this is a pretty nice truck. It's even got like a carbon fiber inside package, you know, on the steering wheel. You kind of see it. Very clean. Super trucky. All right, it's a 2018 GMC K1500 Sierra SLT crew cab with the Z71 4x4 package. Yeah, man, the Rocky Ridge edition. They do souped up trucks like this. So yeah, you can check it out on our website. More information on the website, pinetreemotors.com. We got more trucks like this. We got big trucks, little trucks, middle trucks, work trucks, utility trucks. What other kinds of trucks we got? We got bucket trucks. We got box trucks. We got, you know, we got a lot of trucks. We also got cars, vans, SUVs, you know. Sometimes there's some little motorcycles on there, but yeah, it's a website. It's a website. So go check it out, pinetreemotors.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful, blessed day. All right, bye-bye.